Hello students, how are you all? I'm your biology educator Dr. Meetu Bhavnani. Welcome to Vedantu NEET English channel. So today we are going to deal with this video that is very important video, and I think to make it right now. Many students are asking, ma'am, whenever the exam of NEET will come, means the NEET exam is on 3rd May 2026. So some repeater students are there, and many of the students who are giving NEET first time this year, so they have the question in their mind, means, ma'am, how to manage first 30 minutes in the examination hall when NEET paper come. Very important. So first 30 minutes are very strategically important. First of all, sit calmly. Means carry all the documents before reaching to examination hall. That is very important. Otherwise, if any one of the document get missed out, will create so much panicness. Maybe they won't allow to you enter inside the examination hall, and it will create too much havoc. Totally ruins your confidence. So when you enters inside the examination hall and you are allowed to sit inside on the chair and the paper of the NEET come, don't panic. See the paper with a smile because you have contributed lots of months to reach there. Okay, don't get panic. Every time when your body is not relaxed, panicness always destroy many things. Keep your body and mind relaxed. Open the paper. Okay, don't waste so much time in scanning the paper. Just scan the paper roughly. Whatever the questions, you know that I'm going to solve it in one go. Tick on the paper one in the one go and fill the OMR sheet of that particular question with the answer right now. Many students what do? They will tick the question, they will solve the question in the paper, and in the last moment they fill the complete OMR sheet. This will create many blunder. Okay, so start the paper with full faith and confidence. Don't panic. These 2 points will definitely help you to crack the NEET, because sometime when your mind got panic, now you are not able to solve the easy questions. Remember, then sit properly. Not in this, when your means your body posture and your spinal cord vertebral column should be very straight. Your vertebral column should be straight. This will help the blood circulation to move properly around the body. Okay, so now when you scan the paper, okay, scan the paper of biology, physics and chemistry, three subjects in 2026 and any examination every time. Don't waste your too much time in scanning. Just one go scanning. Okay, this physics question is easy, formula based, tick it. Organic easy, tick it. Physical I know, tick it. Biology, some questions require only one recall. Attempt the questions. Okay, so scan and identify easy question. First 30 minutes scan easy questions. Easy easy questions. Easy questions. Very easy questions. Okay, or medium. Solve and fill the OMR sheets in one go. Suppose you take the answer in question paper, and in there is one OMR sheet. Question number 1, third option. Immediately fill the OMR sheet properly. Properly fill it. Encircle it. Fill the circle clearly and properly. So these, first 1 hour always build some momentum and make you calm. Means if you are able to solve lots of question in 130 minutes in one go, means your momentum keeps on increasing. Then invest your more and more time in solving harder question and ignore negative marking. Ignore negative marking. That will definitely use your score in the NEET. Now, how to NEET section wise attempt order? Now you very well know that biology is your strongest part. Many questions comes in biology. First pick up the biology paper. Attempt the one direct recall question. This is easy question. Animal kingdom easy question. Genetic easy question. In first 30 minutes. In first 30 minutes are very crucial. Chemistry, inorganic plus physical direct formulas. Physics, look for formula based questions. So if you are able to manage the first 30 crucial minutes in the NEET exam, you are able to bang on. You are able to crack the other difficult questions as well as. So don't panic, have confidence, students. Okay, do daily study theory properly, solve questions, solve PYQs mainly, previous year question paper that will tell you how questions are framed actually. And giving mock test exam is also good, but don't give so much mock test. In every 2 to 3 days, attempt mock test. Okay, students, thank you so much.